I'm Herb Williams, and I am an assembler at DeWys. I've been here 6 years. I came here through a temp service, and it was like back in 2011. So I was here. This is like basically my second time around. I was here between the 2011 and 2012 years. I say fate. Like I was meant to come back here. I went and worked for the city of Grand Rapids for like 4 years. And I got frustrated with I was working in park and recreation. I got frustrated with them, and I ended up going to Forge, and they asked me, they had a position here at DeWys that was open. Did I know where it's at? And I was like, yeah. And the rest is history. A variety of people, from the president on down to people that's in my area. It's just it's a very happy place to work at, and it's family oriented. That's been the culture around here. I feel good about it. I mean, in itself, it tells my story too. So it's like, for me to be here years before, I was here like almost a year. It was like 9 months and 2 weeks, and then to be by fate 4 years later come right back, and here I am now. So it's part of my story too. So.